Significant. Your individual handwritten digital signature. Sign as usual, but digitally. Signing could not be more simple or more secure. Significant represents the perfect combination of forgery-proof biometrics and a digital signature. It is as easy as signing on paper, offering security, speed, and enormous cost savings. Printouts, faxes, copying, scanning, and manual archiving are all definitively things of the past. For the first time, Significant allows several people, regardless of their location, to sign the same document by hand within several minutes. Significant is easy to integrate into all existing IT environments. Due to biometric features such as writing speeds and rhythm, the electronic signature is absolutely forgery-proof and can be checked at any time with regard to its authenticity. The success of Significant lies in its socially acceptable method. Signing continues to be signing. Significant. Sign digitally. Speed up your electronic business processes and secure enormous cost savings.